Here I have FAIRPHONE 3, and today I'm going to show you how to remove battery from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to remove back cover from your device. You have the hatch here, so you can hatch it with your fingernail like this. Remove back cover. Here you can see its battery, so you can hatch it here, and that's how you can remove it. Here we have our FAIRPHONE, and here we have its battery. See it? So let's put it back in. Turn on our device by holding down power key, and put back cover back on. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.